Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon or Google seem to predict exactly what you need before you even search for it? Or how businesses make billion-dollar decisions based on data? Well, that's the power of data warehousing and business intelligence. Let's start with something we all love: coffee. Imagine you own a coffee shop. Every day you track sales, customer preferences, and inventory. That's data, your secret weapon. But here's the catch: data is messy. It's scattered across spreadsheets, apps, and receipts. How do you turn this chaos into actionable insights? That's where data warehousing and business intelligence, BI, come in. Let's break it down. Data wears two hats. First, operational record keeping, OLTP. Think of your cashier scanning lattes, fast, real-time transactions. But then your manager asks, which drink sells best on rainy days? That's analytical decision-making, OLAP. It's slower, deeper, and needs historical data. But why can't one system handle both? Well, different users need different types of information, and that's why we can't have a one-size-fits-all solution. Some need real-time updates for smooth operations, while others need historical, in-depth analysis to uncover trends and drive decisions. A data warehouse DW is like a librarian for your data. It takes scattered data, sales apps, Excel sheets, customer surveys, cleans it, organizes it, and stores it in one place. Bill Inmon, the father of data warehousing, he described a data warehouse using 4 keywords: subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, and non-volatile. Sounds fancy, right? Let me break it. First, subject-oriented. Think of it like this. Instead of tracking every single coffee order in real time, like your cashier does, a data warehouse focuses on themes, like sales trends or inventory levels. It's not about the day-to-day grind, it's about the big picture. Next, integrated. Imagine you've got sales data in one app, customer feedback in another, and supplier costs in a spreadsheet. A data warehouse pulls all of that together and makes it consistent. So if one system calls it USD and another says dollars, the data warehouse says, nope, we're calling it this. It's like a universal translator for your data. Then, time variant. This one's super cool. A data warehouse doesn't just tell you what's happening now, it shows you how things have changed over time. Like, hey, remember last winter when sales dipped? Here's exactly when and why. It's like having a time machine for your business. And finally, non-volatile. Once data goes into the warehouse, it stays there. No accidental deletions, no oops, I overwrote that file. It's like writing in permanent marker. Once it's in, it's in. So in short, a data warehouse is like your business's memory bank. Organized, reliable, and always ready to help you make smarter decisions. Cool, right? If a data warehouse is the kitchen, BI is the waiter serving insights on a silver platter. BI tools like Tableau or Power BI turn raw data into dashboards, reports, and forecasts. Imagine your coffee shop manager seeing a spike in iced teas every summer. BI helps them predict next year's demand and stock up. It's all about actionable insights. Let's say your coffee shop uses a loyalty app. OLTP records every swipe, but the DW combines that with weather data, social media trends, and supplier costs. BI then shows you, hey, pumpkin spice lattes sell 40% more when it's below 60 degrees. Without this combo, you're just guessing. With it, you're a data wizard. Let's take a brief look at how data warehousing came to be. It all started back in the 1960s with pioneering research at Dartmouth and General Mills, where the terms dimensions and facts were first introduced. In the 1970s and 1980s, dimensional data marts and specialized decision support systems began emerging. However, the real breakthrough came in 1990 when Bill Inmon, often referred to as the father of data warehousing, formally defined the concept. Data warehousing and BI aren't just for tech giants. If you've ever thought, I waste hours pulling data from 10 different places, my reports are always outdated, I need to spot trends fast, then you need DW and BI. Whether you're a small business, hospital, or YouTuber tracking video performance, data-driven decisions are the future. So what's the ultimate goal of all this? Why bother with data warehousing and BI? Let me give you the big picture. First, accessibility. Imagine you're running around your coffee shop, trying to find last month's sales report. It's in one app, your inventory numbers are in another, and your customer feedback is buried in some email. A data warehouse brings all of that into one place. No more hunting. Everything's right where you need it. And next, consistency. You know how frustrating it is when one system says USD and another says dollars, or when your sales numbers don't match because one report includes taxes and the other doesn't? A data warehouse cleans all that up. It's like having a single source of truth, trustworthy, clean, and reliable data. Then, security. Not everyone needs to see everything, right? Your barista doesn't need to know your profit margins, and your supplier doesn't need access to customer emails. A data warehouse lets you control who sees what, so your sensitive info stays safe. And finally, adaptability. Your business isn't static. It grows, it changes, it evolves. A good data warehouse grows with you. Whether you're adding new products, opening a second location, or diving into e-commerce, your data system can handle it. Think of it like building a Lego set. You start with a solid base. That's your data warehouse. It's the foundation. Then you add all the cool features, dashboards, reports, predictions. That's your BI. Step by step, you build something amazing. And the best part, you can keep adding to it as your business grows. How cool is that? So, data warehousing and BI aren't just buzzwords. They're your toolkit for turning chaos into clarity. I hope you found this video both informative and engaging. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SmartSlides, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.